Hi everyone. Today we're going to be installing the Mx-5 Tech Wink and Sleepy Eye mod here on my 1991 Eunos Roadster or Mazda Miata. This will work on any of your 1990 to 1997 Miatas or Mx-5. So we'll get right to that. Alright, so keep in mind I've already opened this box, but in the box you get your Mx-5 Tech control module. You get your wiring harness, and they're even nice enough, they send you a bunch of zip ties to tuck it. So yeah, now I'm going to be showing you guys how to install it on your 1990 to 1997 Mazda Miata. Okay, I just popped the hood, and you're looking for this connector. There's one on both sides, and there's a tab there. You push in, that right there. You push that in as you pull them apart. Push it in, and you pull it apart. One on both sides. It might be a bit harder the first time, but I've had mine taken off already. Okay, this connector here runs along up to there. These two here connect to where we removed, and these two on here. So they can only go in one way, just like that. Clip them in. See, you see them? Clips in. These on this side. Clip in. And this one. This is the tough one, but it's in. Just like that. Now we get our control module, and we'll put that in. We got our Mx-5 Tech control module. It goes right up here. It's gonna sit on there, so we'll connect that. It'll go here. We ran our wires around your hood prop this way so that they don't get in the way of the headlights going up and down. So on the control module, there's slots for you to feed the zip ties through. So your zip ties go in around the back of the box, and they come through the front. You zip up the two zip ties. And that's what you're left with. You connect your connector. All you have to do is cut the zip ties and route your wires where you want. The extra zip ties they give you is so you can tuck all of this in back here. I'm going to be getting a plate, a rad cowl, to cover all this up anyway, so we'll see that in a later video. So you go on your phone to the App Store, and it's Mx-5 Tech Remote. It's this one right here. So you'll download that, and it should pop up, Mx-5 Wink. Click on that. And then you go to your controls. You have wink left, wink right, wink both together, wink left right, wink right left, Mexican left right, Mexican right left, and then double right left, and double left right. And then you have your sleepy eye. So that's pretty much it. If you like the video, please like the video and consider subscribing. I'll have lots more Miata content coming up.